Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing with another set of coilovers. So to my winter car, the Rocket Bunny 86, I had BC Racing for a couple of years and I was happy with them. But the thing is that I used that car as my winter car. And in Sweden, they put salt on the roads and so it was time to change them. And I wanted the Öhlins, but I was cheap. Because the Öhlins, even though it's a Swedish company, or was a Swedish company, is very expensive. So I ended up buying HGS instead, And the only thing that I didn't like about the Öhlins is that when you're going to adjust it, damper stiffness, you do it under the car. And that wasn't for me. So I ordered the HGS, and then I learned that it's the same with them. You also adjust them underneath. So now it's winter again. The car has been standing still since Easter. Yeah, since Easter, that's crazy. And I wanted something that is best bang for the buck. So best value, and that can handle a Swedish winter. I bought the socks to protect them, but ST has galvanized steel, so they're supposed to handle winter usage better. And ST is KW's cheap brand, and it's sort of wrong to call it cheap. They're more price-worthy maybe, because they use KW experience, knowledge, technology to do these more price-worthy. And I wanted the these are called XTA, XTA, +3. So +3 is their top model, but the difference between the top model and these were that the top model you could adjust both compound and rebound. I used to have that on my 350Z. And they are more or less focused on both being adjustable for track and on high speeds. And since this is my winter car, I use it on track, say once a year maybe. And high speeds I never do in that car. So I didn't have any usage at all for the most expensive ones that have the thing with high speed adjustment. But on any other car, I would get that because I have driven cars that are fast and that are very unstable on 200 plus kilometers. And even Porsches that are made for doing like 300 or something, 240, 250, and the car is swaying and waving and bouncing all over the road. So if you live in Germany and you have the Autobahn, you should absolutely have coilovers that are good for high speed as well. A fun thing with these is that you can choose a bunch of colors, and you can also put your name on the coilovers. I was going to do that, but I thought I was in a rush to get them home, so I didn't choose any special color, and I couldn't choose what color. There are a bunch of colors to choose from. Let me see. Yeah, so all those colors there on the lid. And to choose blue or purple would sort of be boring because then you don't see them at all. The green ones would look weird, I think. Red would be too common. So yellow works just fine. That would be just fine for me on a blue car. And to put the name on it, yeah, I'm eager like that. I would love that, but then it would take a couple of days more, I think, just like 2 days or something. But I wanted them express, so I sent them home express. So yeah, they're going on the car, on my winter car, XTA. And XTA plus 3 is the most expensive one, as said, where they focus on high speed, and they are more or less twice the money. So I would say that this is the most bang for the buck. I think they were under, say around 2,000 euro, yeah. And liens, etc., are like 4,000 or 5,000 euro. So these galvanized steel with the protection socks will do just fine for my winter car that I use on track once a year. I will get back to you with a video, of course, when they are on the car to tell you what I think about them. And that's it. If you have any questions, ask me. Any comments, any suggestions, any experience of XTA Coilovers yourself, so let me know. All right, so here they say, so they have 4 models, X, XA, XTA, and XTA plus 3. And the difference between XTA and XTA plus 3 is high and low speed adjustable, yeah, compression damping, so compound and rebound. And I used to have that on my old track day car, and those were amazing. I paid for those, 15 years ago, more, I think. I paid 12,500 euro, today's money. Back then it was like 20,000 euro. But those were amazing. So yeah, ST suspension. Thanks for watching.